Hi there, my name is Lucas and I'm one of the senior customer specialists here at Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids. And today I wanted to figure out how to connect your Android via Android Auto in one of the Nissans in our lineup. All right, so today we're gonna be in the 2022 Nissan Armada. We're gonna connect an Android phone here for Android Auto. So first things first, we're gonna make sure that we have the phone unlocked. We're gonna plug in the USB cord in the base of the center console, and then we're just simply going to plug in the device via that cord. And then it's gonna ask for some permissions here. So we're gonna click OK on the touch screen. You're gonna select yes on the touchscreen of the car, and then it's gonna now welcome you to Android Auto, and the phone will prompt you to continue to set up on your car screen. So you're pretty much done here. You just click continue, and now you're ready to rock. You can go ahead and swipe through all of your apps on the vehicle. You can play with different settings. You can access Google Maps, Spotify. You can use voice recognition on the steering wheel to ask for different addresses, to make phone calls, to send and reply to text messages. And then if we click the white button on the bottom left here, you can now dance between a certain app that you're using and the rest of the apps available. So as you can see, we can kind of play through that. So that way we can keep our navigation open on a bigger screen, so we don't have to guess on where we're going, and then we can always access different stuff here. That makes it nice and easy for us to get the information we need on the road without having to take our eyes off of the road as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're able to connect your phone to the vehicle. If you had any additional questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at walsernissancoonrapids.com.